Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, you have muted us.
No, Veda, I have not muted you. You are speaking and I am able to listen to you.
No, sir, before.
So before, maybe,
Yes, sir.
maybe हो सकता है मैंने कर दिया.
You could do everything muted.
Okay, so now let's start. बेटा माइक ऑफ कर दे. जनरेटर अपना बंद कर दे ना, माइक ऑफ कर दे. We are doing chapter number 10, rounding numbers. We started exercise 10.2 yesterday. Have we started exercise 10.3 now or not? Yet or not? In this class, have we started exercise 10.3? R Gupta, tell me.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
We have started 10.3.
Yes, sir.
Have we all done the first question?
Yes, no, sir.
Question A नहीं करा अभी हमने 10.3 का.
No, sir.
No.
Sir, we can't see. Sir, we can't see.
Open your
Yes, sir.
book.
Yes, sir. We are done. We are done.
Only 5 students. I don't know what the students of this class do. 8.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. Navdeep Gupta present.
Very good, beta. Good morning. Present. You are joining very late.
No, sir. Our class starts at 11:45. So, sir, I have come on 11:46.
Beta, the class starts at 11:40. This period starts at 11:40. Okay. It's already 7 minutes.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, after this period, there will be the conference class of your.
Conference class?
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir. Means combined class.
No. There will be no combined class. Only one
Okay,
class
sir.
today. Don't worry.
Excuse me, sir. Today you can tell our marks of maths.
No, beta, I cannot give the marks because I have been told not to give the marks. I will give you with your UT2 report card only. Okay, let's start doing question B.
Sir, how many का?
Huh?
Sir, how many marks Gaurav Pelani got in math? Sir.
I cannot tell you the marks. Beta.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir. Sir,
Yes.
if I have not done the one silly mistake, I have got the full marks.
Acha, very good. What silly mistake you did? What was the silly mistake you did?
Sir, he do the easy one. Sir, he missed the easy one answer.
Okay. So now we are starting with question
Sir,
A.
10.3 exercise, sir, we have to do in copy or in book?
In the book. In the book. Okay. Okay, now 10.3 question A we have already done, although we have already done, but still I am telling you one more time. because I think some of you
Yes,
have
sir.
not done it. One more time, it needs a revision. So the number is 6.7. You have to round off this number to a whole number. इसको whole number में change करना है round off करके. Okay. So 6.7 is a number which lies between 6 and 7. 6 और 7 के बीच में आता है. Okay. It comes between 6 and 7. 6.7 is a number which comes between 6 and 7. So this number 6.7, look at the first digit after decimal. Decimal के बाद पहला digit कौन सा है यहाँ पर? What is the first digit after
Sir,
decimal?
7.
It
Sir,
is
7.
So this digit is greater than 5. Am I right or not? 5 से बड़ी digit है. तो यहाँ
Yes,
पर
sir.
आगे जाएंगे
sir.
या पीछे जाएंगे? कहाँ जाएंगे?
Sir, हम आगे जाएंगे.
आगे जाएंगे. 7. Answer. Question number 3. Suppose if you want to do question 3. Sorry, चलो 2 बता देते हैं पहले. Question 2. Question number 2. The question is 4.2. Okay.
Yes, sir.
पास बच्चा यार अपना माइक बंद रखो, बस ये मत रखो. 4.2 is between 4 and 5. 4 और 5 के बीच में लाई करता है ये नंबर. Sorry, 5 lies between 4 and 5. So 4.2. Look at the digit, first digit after decimal. 2. The first digit is after decimal. The first digit is 2. 2 is smaller than 4, or sorry, 2 is smaller than 5 or greater than 5. It is smaller than 5. तो हम when the digit is smaller than 5, हम कहाँ जाएंगे? पीछे जाएंगे. Answer is 4. Clear? Easy काम है बहुत. ऐसे ही let's do question number 8. 8 वाला देखिए. 1.61. 1.61. 1.61. You always have to look at the first digit after decimal, because you have to convert this number in a whole number. So you look at the first digit after decimal. Decimal के बाद पहला digit देखिए 6 है. So this number will lie between 1 and 2. 1.61 किसके बीच में lie करेगा? 1 और 2 के बीच में lie करेगा. कैसे पता चला मुझे? इसको देख के पता चलता है. This number lies between 1 and 2. 1.61 कहीं 1 और 2 के बीच में lie करता है. So the first digit after decimal is 6. 6 is
We
a
have to
number.
write in our book.
You have to write the answer in the book, only the answer. ये सब जो मैं समझा रहा हूँ, this you don't have to write. First digit is 6, so 6 is greater than 5, so you will take the, go to the greater number, not the smaller one. Go to the greater whole number, which is 2. This is your answer. Okay.
Excuse me, sir. I don't understand these questions. Please explain one more time one question.
Yes, 49.9242. One more time I am explaining the question. Govind Bhardwaj is requesting to explain one more question. So that is why 49.42. आइए देखते हैं कैसे होगा. $49.42. Can you tell me this number 49.42 lies between which two whole numbers? कौन से दो whole numbers के बीच में lie करता है? Whole numbers are 49 and 50. ये 49 और 50 के बीच में lie करेगा. Am I right or not? इतना आप लोगों को मालूम है या 49 और 50 के बीच में lie करता है? Do you all know this? या नहीं पता, इसके बारे में कोई आइडिया नहीं है? अरे बेटा कुछ तो बोल दो.
Yes, sir.
This number
Yes, sir.
49.42 lies between 49. ये 49 और 50 के बीच में आता है ये नंबर. आता है, मालूम है आपको? बताओ बेटा। अरे बेटे क्या हो गया, बोल क्यों नहीं रहे हैं आप लोग?
यस सर, सर ये तो पता है ना।
हाँ पता है ना।
नो।
तो नाउ हाउ विल यू सेलेक्ट कि 49 आंसर होगा या 50 आंसर होगा, ये कैसे पता चलेगा? बस अब आपको इन दोनों में से कोई एक आंसर चूज करना है। लुक एट द फर्स्ट डिजिट, दिस इज 4, दिस नंबर इज लेस देन 5, 4 5 से छोटा होता है। लुक एट द फर्स्ट डिजिट आफ्टर डेसिमल, इट इज 4, 4 इज लेस देन 5 और ग्रेटर देन 5?
स्मॉलर, स्मॉलर।
5, तो दैट मींस आप छोटे नंबर पे चले जाएंगे। ये गलत हो गया। आंसर क्या आया गोविंद भारद्वाज? अंडरस्टूड और नॉट?
यस सर।
अब आ गया समझ में?
यस सर।
इजी है बहुत। आंसर ऑफ 12th पार्ट मुझे बताइए, गोविंद भारद्वाज बताएंगे 12th पार्ट का आंसर।
ओके सर, वेट फॉर 1 minute.
यस।
Sir, I can tell you the first answer.
वेट,
Excuse me sir.
point, yes,
Sir, the answer is 13.
very good, correct answer. Govind Bhardwaj has given a terrific answer. The answer is 13. गोविंद भारद्वाज आप अपने लिए खुद ताली बजा सकते हो। वेरी गुड।
Thank you sir.
12.865, it lies between 12 and 13। कौन से दो नंबर्स के बीच में आता है ये? 12 और 13 के बीच में, 12 and 13। so 12 and 13 के बीच में आता है। now look at the first digit after decimal, what is the digit? it is 8। 8 is less than 5 or greater than 5?
Sir, answer is 12.
Beta, the first digit is 8 after decimal, the first digit is 8। 8 is less than 5 or greater than 5? it is greater than 5, तो हम greater number के पास जाएंगे, lesser number के पास नहीं जाएंगे। 13 कहाँ चले गए? देख करके 8 को देख के कहाँ टपक गए? 13 के पास टपक गए, 12 से दूर चले गए। Got it or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Got it.
Very good. Let's start doing the B, question number B. Question B. First part. Write the answer in one decimal place. 36.76. Round off the number to one decimal place. We have to round off the given number to one decimal place. One decimal place में इसको round off करना है. Let's see how to do it. It is at how many decimal places are there in the given number? How many decimal places are there? Yes. How many decimal places are there in the given number? बेटा बताइए.
Sir, 4. Sir, 2 places. Sir, there are 2 places, 110.
Yes, there are 2 decimal places in the given number. But हमको आंसर केवल 1 decimal place में लिखना है. तो हम क्या करेंगे? जो सेकंड डिजिट जो आ रही है, आंसर केवल 1 तक लिखना है. तो 36.7 नहीं लिखेंगे इसको, जो इसके बाद जो डिजिट आता है सेकंड, क्या आ रहा है? व्हाट इज द सेकंड डिजिट आफ्टर द डेसिमल?
6.
6।
6.
6 को देखना है 5 से बड़ा है या छोटा है? 5 से बड़ा है छोटा है? 6।
It is बड़ा सर, बड़ा.
इट इज ग्रेटर
सर
देन
बड़ा है.
5, तो आंसर क्या लिखेंगे? पीछे वाली डिजिट को एक नंबर आगे बढ़ा देंगे, 36.8 आंसर। गॉट इट? सेम वही तरीका है जो हमने अभी अभी किया था। 36.765 या तो 36.7 आएगा या फिर 36.8 आएगा, इन दोनों में से कोई एक आंसर है। 36.8 और 36.7 कैसे पता चलेगा? आपको वन डिजिट में लिखना है आंसर, तो 7 के बाद क्या डिजिट आ रहा है? यहाँ पर 6 आ रहा है, तो 6 is greater than 5, so your answer is 36.8. This is wrong. Clear or not?
No, sir. Sir,
अरे
please explain. I can't understand able.
अरे ऐसा क्या है इसमें? बेटा, I am telling you one more part. You are getting confused. You are a small child. Don't worry. 22.12. It is a very simple thing, beta. Gaurav Pailagani, you are a brilliant student and you are talking like this. I am not able to understand. How is it possible? तुम तो महान महान खिलाड़ी हो, सचिन तेंदुलकर की तरह। 22.12. So it has how many decimal places? The number has how many decimal places?
2.
But we have to write answer in only one decimal place. या तो 22.1 लिखना है या फिर 22.2 लिखना है, ठीक है? या तो 22.1 इसको हटा दीजिए, 22.1 होगा या फिर 22.2 होगा, ओके? तो कैसे सेलेक्ट करेंगे? सेकंड डिजिट को देखिए जिसको मैं हटा रहा हूँ। कौन से डिजिट को हटा रहा हूँ मैं? यहाँ पर 2 को हटाने वाला हूँ, हटा रहा हूँ। तो ये वाले डिजिट को आपको देखना है। ये डिजिट इज इट लेस देन 5 और ग्रेटर देन 5?
सर लेस देन 5.
लेस देन 5। जब लेस देन 5 है तो पीछे वाले नंबर पे आ जाएंगे, आगे वाले को काट
यस सर.
क्या आंसर आ गया? 22.1। आइए
Acha.
गौरव बेटा,
Sir, now I understand.
वेरी गुड। एज आई टोल्ड यू, यू आर सचिन तेंदुलकर।
Sir, clear like water.
अरे वाह, यू आर सचिन तेंदुलकर ऑफ मैथमेटिक्स। 187.08. Write the answer up to one decimal place.
Sir, can I tell this answer? Sir, can I tell this answer?
Wait, beta, wait. I will explain this. Chalo, Govind, beta, tell me the answer.
Sir, the answer of this question is 187.1.
Very good, correct answer. You are Virat Kohli of mathematics.
Thank you, sir.
187.08. Sanidhya Negi is attending
Sir,
the
I have
class
the name.
quietly. Very good, Sanidhya Negi. I like it when you quietly attend the class, do not disturb the class and understand everything. Very good, beta, keep it up. Behave like this always. Sanidhya Negi, beta, are you listening? So there are two options, either 187.0. First option is this. Second option is 187.1. दोनों में से कोई एक करेक्ट है, यहाँ पर एक गलत है। What is the second digit? Second digit after decimal. Second digit कौन सा है?
Sir 8.
8. 8 is greater than 5. तो कहाँ चले जाएंगे, आगे चले जाएंगे, पीछे वाले को काट देंगे।
सर आगे
147.1। ओके, क्लियर है, वाटर की तरह। गौरव पहले
यस सर यस सर
क्लियर लाइक वाटर। Okay, can you all do all the parts of this question? I am telling you one more part of this.
यस सर
Part number 11. I am telling you part number 11 of the question. 11th part of the question.
Question 3. Sir, I have filled 2 pages. And this whole lecture is 187.0. Sir, start the next.
One more part, 11th part of the question.
Sir, can I tell you this answer?
572.873.
Sir, can I tell this answer?
Wait, beta. Can you tell me the answer of the question? I'm
Sir,
ready
the
to
answer. Sir, the answer of this question is 572.9.
Absolutely correct answer. 572.9 is the answer. Five 572.873. Two options. 572.8 or 572.9. दोनों में से कोई एक सही है, कोई एक गलत है। Look at the second digit of the number. थर्ड डिजिट क्या है उससे कोई मतलब ही नहीं है, हमें तो सिर्फ सेकंड डिजिट को देखना है। हमें क्या करना है, सिर्फ सेकंड डिजिट को देखना है। The second digit is 7. 7 is greater than 5, तो आगे चले जाएंगे, पीछे वाले को काट देंगे। आंसर 572.9। गुप्ता जी अंडरस्टूड?
Yes, sir.
गुप्ता जी स्टोर क्लियर हो गया आपको?
पेपर में था.
वेरी गुड बेटा। एनी डाउट पार्थ गुप्ता? आर यू
Yes,
डूइंग
sir.
ऑल द क्वेश्चंस इन योर बुक?
Sir, I am doing in the copy.
यू आर डूइंग द कॉपी, वेरी गुड। दैट
Yes,
इज
sir. Sir, see. Sir, see, this is the copy.
आई एम नॉट एबल टू सी, वेयर इज योर वीडियो?
Sir, now you can see this. Sir, see, I am doing in my copy.
वेरी गुड बेटा, वेरी गुड। Okay, let's start doing the C, question number C. Have you all done this? All the parts of question B, have you all done?
Sir, I have done all the parts.
Very good. Let's start
Okay,
doing
sir.
question C.
Sir, C1.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Question number. Round off the decimal part of to the nearest 100. 2 decimal places. You have to write the answer in 2 decimal places. Now, in this question, सेम कॉन्सेप्ट लगाएंगे क्वेश्चन में 5.176 बस आपको क्या करना है यू हैव टू राइट द आंसर इन 2 डेसिमल प्लेस तो थर्ड वाले को हटा देना है मतलब केवल 2 डेसिमल प्लेस तक आंसर लिखना है थर्ड वाले को हटा के फेंक देंगे कैसे फेंकेंगे आइए देखते हैं 5.176 इसके पीछे 5.17 इसके आगे you have to write the answer in 2 decimal place so 5.17 and
Yes, sir.
5.8 clear so
18.
what is the third digit आपको थर्ड डिजिट को देखना है थर्ड डिजिट इज ग्रेटर देन 5 तो आगे चले जाएंगे पीछे वाले को हटा देंगे
Yes, sir.
5.18 is the answer clear or not everyone
Sir, absolutely clear.
very good
Yes, sir.
start doing all the parts I am waiting for your answers start doing all
Sir,
the parts
second answer is 1.71.
do all the parts and give your answers in the chat box everyone do all the parts and write your answers in the okay don't write them in the chat box it will take a lot of time do them in the book only Yes. Have you all done all the parts of question C?
Yes, sir. I have already, and sir, I have also sent in chat box.
Very good, beta.
Sir, me also, me too.
And Parth Gupta are sending the answer. Beta, it's no issue to send the answers. It's good that you have sent, but don't send. It will take a lot
Sir,
of time.
sir, I have also sent.
Very good, very good, very good, very good.
Sir, I have also done. Sir, I send you in the chat box also.
Very
Sir,
good.
when you were not unmute us. Sir, me also muted.
Very good, beta. Let us start doing question D.
Yes, sir. But much time is not left. But we have to do.
Question D.
Sir, in book only.
Eh?
Sir, in book only.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, sir.
Sir, I will do in copy.
Amita?
Sir, I will do in copy.
Okay. Okay, in exercise 10.2, we have not done the C question. We forgot to do question C in exercise 10.2. Now I am seeing that there is question C also. Have you all seen question C in 10.2?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
We have not done. Nobody told me, sir, there is question C also. Eh? Now what to do? Amita?
Sir,
Yes.
so we can do on the so we can do in our copy this.
Yes, sir. We can.
नहीं beta नहीं. We will do this after completing the C exercise. We will do it. Okay. The 10.3 exercise. After doing 10.3, then we will do question C of exercise 10.2. Let us first do let us first complete exercise 10.3. Then after that we can do it again. Okay. Understood what I am saying? Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
I am going to do one part of question D here. You all can do it in your book or wherever you can do it. This 7, you have to add the two numbers 18.21. Add the two numbers and then write your answer in approximate answer. The two ways of doing it. You have to add. First, you round off the numbers. Round off the numbers. This number will be. First you add, then you can round off. 5, 9, 10, 8 plus 6 is 4. So 24.95. This becomes 24.95. Now you can round off the number. Your answer will be one decimal place. You have to write the answer in one decimal place. So this becomes 25.0, or you can write 25. Answer is 25. Round off to 1 decimal, please. 18 plus 7, 25. Yes. Clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you.